Good morning, students. Today we will continue with our chapter Nervous System, chapter number 6. We have already studied about brain in the last class. Today we will start with the spinal cord. Spinal cord is a cylindrical structure enveloped by the backbone or the vertebral column. It is a bundle of nerves that extended from the medulla oblongata to the end of the vertebral column. The spinal cord transmits nerve impulses from different organs of the body to the brain and vice versa. It also acts as the center for many reflexes. So, we can summarize the main parts of the human nervous system and their functions as brain has got three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. The function of cerebrum is it governs our intelligence, consciousness, controls mental activities and acts as a center of perception of pain, touch, sight, taste and smell. Cerebellum helps in the muscular coordination and maintains the balance of the body. Medulla oblongata controls heartbeats, breathing and the movements of internal body organs. That is, all the involuntary activities of our body are controlled by medulla oblongata. Spinal cord controls the reflexes and conducts the messages received from organs to the brain. A nerve is a bundle of axons enclosed in a tubular medullary sheath. This sheath provides insulation and prevents mixing of impulses in the adjacent nerve fibers. They are whitish colored fibers. It is the pathway of an electrical impulse from the brain to spinal cord to the different parts of the body. So we can define nerves as the communication lines for the transmission of impulses from one part of the body to the other. Functions of the nerves. There are different types of nerves which perform different type of functions in our body. Some general functions performed by the nerves are the sensory function. In this type of function, nerves bring impulses from the sense organs, that is eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue, and transfer them to the brain or spinal cord. For example, optic nerve carries the impulses from the eyes to the brain. Second, the motor function. In this type of function, nerves conduct impulses to the muscles from the brain or the spinal cord. For example, nerve carry impulses from the brain to the muscles of the eyeball. On the basis of the origin, there are two types of nerves. The cranial nerves, these originate from the brain. 12 pairs of cranial nerves are there. They carry the messages directly to and from the brain. Spinal nerves that originate from the spinal cord, they are of 31 pairs in number. They carry message from receptor, that is the sense organs, to the spinal cord and brain, and from the spinal cord and brain to the effectors, that is muscles, that bring that message into action. Pathetic nerve is the smallest and the thinnest nerve. Vagus is the largest cranial nerve. Trigeminal is the longest cranial nerve. And the nerve that is desensitized by the dentist at the time of dental treatment, that is called the dentist nerve. Nervous system of the lower organisms. Some lower organisms like cnidarians, hydra, jellyfish and sea anemone, etc. have the simplest form of nervous coordination amongst all the animals. They have a network of nerve cells and the nerve fibers which help in the conduction of impulses from one part of the body to the other. These animals lack a proper brain or any local cluster of neurons. In case of invertebrates such as insects, The nervous organization is further advanced. In addition to a small bilobed brain, their body possesses structures called ganglia and nerve cord arising from the brain that help to coordinate the working of the animal's body. From each ganglion, many small nerves arise which go to different parts of the body. Thank you.